In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a PDF on Adobe Scan. Now, whether you're looking to clean up some space or just want to get rid of a document you no longer need, I'll guide you through this process step by step. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Adobe Scan app on your phone. The Adobe Scan app is usually represented by its distinctive logo, so just locate it among your apps and give it a tap. Launching this app is your gateway to scanning, organizing, and managing your PDF documents easily and efficiently. Once you have the app open, you'll want to navigate to where all your scans are stored. You can do this by tapping on either the Home tab or the All Scans section. Both options are usually found at the bottom of your screen and will present you with a list of all your scanned documents. Now that you can see your collection of PDFs, the next step is to select the particular PDF that you wish to delete. This might take a bit of scrolling if you have a lot of files, but remember, you're looking for a document's file name that you'd like to remove. Once you've identified the file, focus your attention on the three dots, also known as the overflow menu, situated next to that file name. These dots often signify additional options are available for that specific file. When you tap them, a menu should appear that gives you several options to manage the file. Here's where we really get down to business. From the menu that appears, go ahead and select Delete. This is your main action point for removing the file, but don't worry, the app will ask for confirmation to make sure this is what you really want to do. Upon seeing the confirmation prompt, simply tap Delete again, and just like that, your selected PDF will be removed from Adobe Scan. And with that, we've successfully deleted a PDF file using Adobe Scan. It's as simple as opening the app, navigating to your list of documents, selecting the one you want to remove, and confirming your choice to delete it. Remember, once a document is gone, it's gone, so make sure you really want to delete it before you confirm. I hope you found this guide helpful for tidying up your digital space. If you have any questions or further tips on document management to share, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching and have a great day.